Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to continue with the lesson of the other day. Sin means without. So the other day we just saw con, that means with, and in today's video it's the turn of sin, without. Really important to say the things that you don't want in Spanish. Let's start. So in Spanish, sin simply means without. It's used just like in English to say that something is missing, absent, or not include. Let's see some examples. For example, number 1, sin azúcar, without sugar. Imagine that you are on a diet or you are diabetic. As I put you here on the example, imagine you are on a coffee shop and you don't want sugar in your coffee. You can say, un café sin azúcar, por favor. A coffee without sugar, please. Next one, sin sal. Sin sal means without salt. So maybe you're on a diet or you have high blood pressure. So on that case, you can use ¿Tiene comida sin sal? ¿Tiene comida sin sal? Do you have food without salt? Now, next one, sin dinero. Brokey means without money, or as Andrew Tate would say, brokey. So you left your wallet at home or you just broke. You can put this excuse if you don't want to go out. No puedo salir. Estoy sin dinero. No puedo salir. Estoy sin dinero. I can't go out. I'm broke. Another one, sin trabajo. Sin trabajo. Unemployed. You're currently not working, so you can say, estoy sin trabajo desde hace 2 meses. I've been without a job for 2 months. Another good one, sin ganas. Without desires, not feeling like it. You just don't feel like doing something. It's my case those days. I don't know what's wrong with me. It must be the summer. So as an example, hoy estoy sin ganas de estudiar. Today, I don't feel like studying. Next one, sin ti, without you. Use romantic or emotional context, or if you're a pussy, I'm not going to lie to you. You can use no puedo vivir sin ti. No puedo vivir sin ti. I can't live without you. Next one, sin sentido. I use this a lot, I'm not going to lie to you. Means senseless, pointless. It's like something doesn't make sense or has no purpose. So you can say, esta conversación no tiene sentido. Esta conversación no tiene sentido. This conversation makes no sense. Another one. On the last video we saw con. Now is sin, without. Sin condón, without condom. If you hear this from a Latina woman, congratulations. You won the lottery. And the example, ¿lo hiciste sin condón? Did you do it without condom? Another one, especially for women, sin maquillaje. Sin maquillaje, without makeup. When someone is not wearing any makeup, you can say, hoy salí sin maquillaje. Today I went out without makeup. Then we have sin sueño. Not sleepy or can't sleep, like me right now. Estoy sin sueño, as an example. So you're in bed, but you just can't fall asleep. You can use es tarde, pero estoy sin sueño. Es tarde, pero estoy sin sueño. It's late, but I'm not sleepy. Another good one, sin cobertura. Sin cobertura. Not signal, no reception. You're in the mountains or underground with no phone signal, you can say, no puedo llamarte, estoy sin cobertura. No puedo llamarte, estoy sin cobertura. And the last example, sin permiso. Sin permiso, without permission. You did something you shouldn't have. You can use entró sin permiso. He came without permission. Entró sin permiso. And with this video we end up the chapter of con, that means with, and sin, that means without. Remember that if you are new and you're watching this video, follow for more, and have a lovely day. Bye!